Hi, I'm Ben from Mastercam. New for Mastercam 2022 is a new holder collision checking tool and automatic intelligent linking for hole-making toolpaths. Users can now quickly see if their holder and tool combination will work with their part geometry and check for gouges. This new feature lives in the linking parameters page. It is a quick check before generating toolpaths and running through verify and simulation. This allows quick tool projection changes without extra time wasted. Let us make a 2D drill toolpath on the fire manifold to spot drill these holes. We'll select the holes that have the same vector by Ctrl-Shift clicking the inner solid faces. There are 3 136 thousandths holes and 3 89 thousandths holes. We'll leave the sort order as is and click OK. Select the entire part as avoidance geometry by triple-clicking the solid body. Fixtures and clamps can be selected here as well. Select Tool 3, the 1/4 inch spot drill. Go down to the linking parameters page. The new automatic linking checkbox is at the top. Automatic linking will create safe linking moves between holes, calculated from the selected avoidance geometry. Clicking this will lock the clearance height to absolute and the retract height to incremental. To set the drill depth of each hole, click the calculator button under depth. Under finish diameter, right-click and select diameter of an arc. Select the top solid edge of the hole. Leave the selection on add to depth and click OK. Click calculate depth from top of line hole. Over on the left-hand side is a new holder collision checking tool. We can toggle on the collision display outside of the dialog box. Click Check Collision to enter the new panel. Right now, we get a list of all the holes that we've selected. The left-hand column shows collision state. The rightmost column shows if the holder, shank, or shoulder is in collision. In this case, the holes in red shows that those holes are unreachable since the holder is in collision. We can manually click and drag the holder until it clears. There's also an Optimize Projection button that will automatically set tool projection based on the holder clearance input. You can change tool opacity for visibility with this slider. Left-clicking once on the tool allows the tool to follow the pointer and snap to different hole locations. Left-clicking again will release and place the tool. Click OK to exit the collision checking tool. Now, click OK to exit and generate the toolpath.